Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove activity log on Facebook. So let's start the video. Open your Facebook app on the mobile phone. Now click on the menu bar at the top right corner. Scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Now you have to scroll all the way down and under your information, click on Activity Log. Click on the Your Facebook Activity drop-down menu. Browse through your activity log to find the entry you want to remove. This log includes posts, likes, comments, and other activities. Now here, tap the three dots next to the activity you want to remove. Select Delete or Remove Post or Remove for other activities like likes and comments. Then your selected activity will be removed from your log. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solutions. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.